Hi everyone, Nick from Acme Tools, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new tool from DeWalt, the 20V MAX Cordless Power Cleaner. For the kit, it's going to be part number DCPW550P1, and for the bare tool, it's going to be part number DCPW550B. The new DCPW550 is a highly portable, battery-operated power washer with extremely quick setup for maximum versatility in cleaning tasks. The unit is powered by any of the 20V or 60V DeWalt batteries. For your water source, this unit can run from your water spigot or a hose into a bucket or bottle. This makes it ideal for around the house, out at the lake, or anywhere else you may need to get things cleaned off where a traditional power washer may not be an option. Some other great applications for this tool would be washing your bike, cleaning the gutters, rinsing off your lawnmower, or washing windows. With 550 psi and a flow rate of 1 gallon per minute, you'll be able to tackle a large variety of cleaning jobs quickly and efficiently. The 2-speed switch gives you the option to select between power and runtime. The new 20V power washer also features onboard storage for quick and easy access for your spare wand tips. In the box, you receive 4 nozzle attachments, a turbo, 15, 25, and a 40-degree, along with a soap bottle, a suction hose, and a quick connect hose adapter so you are prepared for any job. Do your best work with the DeWalt 20V Power Cleaner, available in a kit, DCPW550P1, or in bare tool, DCPW550B. Available now at acmetools.com. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for the latest from Acme Tools.